In this video, I want to give you a tour of SendLane so you can understand what's available, how to navigate the site, and some of the features. So here on the dashboard, you're going to see several things. It's basically a quick glance at your account. So immediately you'll see all of the contacts. You'll see the contacts chart. In other words, how many subscribers you had today. You can also filter that as how many you've received in a different period of time by using this drop down. Your top contacts, all the autoresponders you've created, any automation rules you've created, any of the campaigns that you've sent out. If we scroll down, we'll see all of the landing pages you have created. You can actually view those directly from here. Of course, you have some activity that you'll see down here on the right hand side. So this will be the first place you probably want to review on a regular basis. So now let's talk about navigation. So you're going to navigate your account on this left-hand menu. This is where all of the links and function access is going to occur. So let's go over that. So if we open up the dashboard, by the way, by clicking on this downward arrow, we'll see some quick access to creating a campaign, which is sending out an email, a broadcast email, any campaign drafts or recent campaigns. So just some quick shortcuts there. If I click the arrow again, that closes up the dashboard options. So let's look at the rest. Campaigns. These are the broadcast emails you've sent out or you've created. The automated series, if you set some rules where you want A to happen if B occurs. Automation series means you can have things happen on automation depending on a user's action. So if someone clicks on a link, you can have an email automatically sent out to that user to say, hey, thanks for checking out this offer. Just an example. So automated series is a very powerful tool, and this is how you access that. Autoresponders. These are your email series. So if you set some emails on autopilot, that's your autoresponder. And this can be as many as, or as few as one email, the one that goes out immediately after subscribing, for example. Or this is where you'll go to set up your entire 10 email series. And you can schedule them every other day, each day in a row. Just to give you some examples, you have total flexibility as to how often you want these to go out and in what schedule you want them to go out on autopilot. Your landing pages. Landing pages are where you access to build your opt-in pages. My templates. So if you go in and create maybe newsletter templates or other, and you like the design that you've made, you can save that as a template to come back and use later. Subscribers, you get a quick glance at your subscribers. And list. These are the lists you've created. You may have many lists over a period of time. You might have a list of prospects, a list of buyers once you create your own product. You might have a list, or you may have several opt-in pages, and each has their own list, right? So you can segment, create as many lists as you want. Now, initially, of course, you're only going to have one, but this is where you access that to not only create your list, but see the list that you've already created at a glance. Integration, primarily where you're integrating an opt-in form into a web page. And then, of course, you want to get all of your data, your clicks, your tracking, that kind of information in the form of reports. You click on reports. So that's a quick look of the navigation and features of SendLane.